Okay, this is Miss Sarah's classroom, my second grade classroom. This is the home page, which tells you exactly what's going to be going on. And this is my About Me page, which tells a little bit about me, and it has a picture of me. These are my resources, different websites, which are resources, and then Web 2.0 is different, also different websites. And then Miss Sarah's favorites are my favorite websites to go through. Technology projects. There are this slideshow, the beautiful campus of LSU, and then that thematic slideshow. My digital story of the first landing of the moon. My mobile app, which is Padlet. My website evaluation of ABC Yaw. There's all of this, which tells my evaluation and then my reflection. The PLN and PLE. There's these two different charts. And then there's also this chart. My Apple teacher certification, and this is my screencast, and that is all.